Hello everyone, this is Moni Singh and I am here with the second chapter of grade 10th biology, that is control and coordination. The two words are here. There are two words, control and coordination. How to control anything, any kind of action, reaction, and how the coordination will be there when we are taking different kind of actions. That coordination might be for the different organs of the body that works in a coordinated manner. So let's see. Control and coordination in plants and animals. Both of these things of course takes place in plants and animals. In the animals we will observe this more, and in plants of course not it is seen as it takes place in the animals. In the animals there are nervous system and endocrine system. Two systems are there, nervous system and endocrine system, that controls and coordinates the different kind of actions and reactions which takes place in the body. And if we talk about plants, there are hormones which works together for the different kind of responses. Basically in plants you can observe the growth movement and non-growth movement. Plants are not having any kind of brain or nervous system. They are not having any kind of endocrine system like us. There is not blood, but of course there is something which controls different kind of responses. So basically अगर हम movement की बात करें तो दो तरह के movement हैं. कौन से? growth movement, non-growth movement. किसमें? plants. अब ये growth movement क्या है? Growth movement means the kind of movement in which you can observe the growth in the plant. Plant जो छोटे से seedlings, फिर saplings, then a big plant, how it happens. Of course that is a growth movement. वो कैसे होता है plant में? That we will discuss. That growth movement we can observe in the stem and root. Stem के through plant की growth होती है, पूरी height बढ़ती है, and through its root plants के roots बढ़ते हैं and they absorbs water and minerals from soil. Now non-growth movement. Non-growth movement क्या है? The movement in which there is not any growth related actions takes place. That is non-growth movement. For example, drooping of leaf of Mimosa pudica. When we touch, the touch me not plant, then its leaves क्या होते हैं? वो droop हो जाते हैं, बिल्कुल झुक जाते हैं, मुरझा जाते हैं. So what is that? Any kind of growth is not taking place there. कोई growth हो रहा है क्या? नहीं हो रहा है. तो क्या हो रहा है? Only there is a kind of movement taking place. So that is why it is called non-growth movement. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे non-growth movement हम later on discuss करेंगे, and of course growth movement will be discussed also. Now movement in living body. अगर हम किसी भी movement की बात करें living body में, whether plant or animal, that is because of changes in the environment. जो हमारी environment है उसमें बहुत सारे changes होते हैं, and because of that kind of changes there is basically movement observed in the living body. जो बहुत सारे changes होते हैं living organism के अंदर, movement होते हैं, that is because of the changes in the environment. क्या changes? जैसे गर्मी है, सर्दी है, it's a hot day, it's a sunny day, it's a cloudy day, kind of temperature related, sunrise, sunset, moonrise, moonset, all these are environmental factors. Apart from that might be excess of humidity और भी कुछ environmental factors हो सकते हैं, wind, rain. So because of such kind of changes in the environment, the organism can show different kinds of movement. So the changes in the environment to which an organism respond and react are called stimulus. So different kind of changes जो अभी मैंने discuss किया, इन changes के against में जब living organism क्या करता है? reaction और response दिखाता है, that changes are called stimulus. So stimulus is nothing but the changes that we can observe in the environment, and because of that changes when an organism react, so those changes are called stimulus. एक example दे रही हूँ. All of a sudden you have seen a lizard. क्या होगा अगर यहाँ पे आ गया? Actually it happened to me few days back. All of a sudden one lizard fall on my head. देन आई थॉट सम पेपर और समथिंग इज देयर, फिर यहाँ गिरा, फिर आई जस्ट सीन एंड रिमूव्ड इट आउट, इस तरह से झटक के मैं अलग हो गई, मतलब उसे अलग कर दिया। सो व्हाट इज दैट लिजर्ड, स्मॉल लिजर्ड था, फिर भी क्या था वो, स्टिमुलस। और फिर मैंने क्या किया, उसके अगेंस्ट में रिस्पॉन्स किया। क्या रिस्पॉन्स था, उसे फेंक दिया। सो दीज इन्वायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स आर स्टिमुलस। वो लिविंग भी, अभी मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले नॉन लिविंग की बात करी, दैट कैन बी, और अभी जो मैंने बात किया लिविंग। सो स्नेक को देखा तो भाग गए, डॉग इज बार्किंग बिहाइंड यू तो आप निकल गए। सो इस तरह से क्या होगा कि हम रिस्पॉन्स करते हैं लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग, कुछ भी फैक्टर्स हो, कुछ भी इन्वायरमेंटल चीज़ें हैं उसके अगेंस्ट। ओके, सो दिस वाज द इंट्रो। इन द नेक्स्ट विल डिस्कस मोर अबाउट द कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन इन ऑर्गेनिज्म। बाय बाय।